believe that the greatest obligation that the elders have is to pass their knowledge of the world, their wisdom, to the next generation. Why are we not respecting them anymore? What do you think is contributing to the neglect that the elders are facing now?
I think a lot has to do with, I could be wrong, but this is just my perception of it, because it's not really something that I spend a whole lot of time on, because to me, it's obvious that the transmission of foreign religion and culture, right, the way it's presented to us has kind of minimized the importance of the elder in our communities. Elder is part of our culture, it's part of our religion, it's part of our spiritual belief system. It is what we do. Elders are transmissions of the culture. They are guardians of the secrets of life, okay? They are the wise ones. They're the Chiis. Normally, if you want to prevent conflict in a community, or you want to preserve peace within a community, you normally will consult with the elders, and they broker the peace in the family or between, two communities. And one thing we have to also understand is that the idea or the importance of elders in a community is just not an African thing, right? Most world cultures, have the same reverence for elders. In the Mayan culture, it's a very important place to be in life. They serve the same roles. In Confucianism, for example, it's the same thing. Confucius himself, spent a lot of time talking about the importance of listening to the elders. They provide blueprint, right, for the next generation. They understand and tell the story of how the community began and how the community got to where it is now and where the community is going.